Hello everyone. So today we are going to explain a DSA project in which we have implemented five different DSA structures. So now, for example, we have implemented tree and we have implemented linked list. So in this is group one, and we have myself, Macbeth Singh, Navjot Singh Bhular, and Akhil J Prasad. So let's start it. So this is a main code of a DSA project. We have different files. We have log file for log everything, inventory management system, important function dot c, data files dot c, and many more. And we also have an inventory dot h in which we have all our header files and our structure and function prototypes. So now let's run the program. Now when we run the program, Najot will explain the starting part of it. Let's move to Navjot Singh.
So now I'll start explaining the project by running it. Starting the project, we require a username. So we have three different username. First one is admin. So my name is Navjot, and now I will run this program and explain the different functionalities. So starting the function, we require login. So in this, we have three different rules. First one is admin, second one is manager, and third one is staff. So now I will log in with manager's credentials. So the username is manager and the password is manager.123. So as we can see, I have successfully logged into the program. Now there are different functionalities in the code. First one is inventory management, where we can add our part and manage the inventory. Second one is customer management, where we can add new customers and display with customers data. Then there is sales management where we have all the orders information and we can create new orders as well. Then last option is change password. So like if someone forget their passwords, so by option 4 we can change the password and set a new one. So now I will start by explaining option 1, which is inventory management. So in inventory management, we have 5 to 6 different options. So first one is add a new car part. Another one is update a car part. Third one is delete a car part. Fourth one is display in inventory, which will display all the parts, but in unordered way. So the fifth option is to sort the inventory using sorted linked list. And the sixth one is part management, which have another different functionality as well. So starting with add a car part. So like for the adding a car part, we have to enter a positive value only. If we enter for the ID, we enter 0, it will say invalid. So then we will try using -1. It's again say invalid. Now we'll try adding any character and stuff. It's again invalid. Now we will enter a valid ID. Let's go with 10. Then we have to add a car part name. So it's only letters. And now go with mm, headlight. So now it will ask the category in which the headlight comes. So we know it's in lights. Then it will ask us to enter a quantity, a non-zero quantity. So like we will add what, 6. Then it will ask us to enter a price. So we will add $96.23. So it says the car part added successfully. Then for second option, we have update car part. So let's go with the recent part we added. So it's 10. And now the current quantity of headlight is 6. So we can enter a new quantity. Let's say we sell 2 products. So we can just add 4 in it. Then there is enterprise. Let's say its price increased to $100. And now the information is saved. So if we use the display inventory option, so as we can see, our headlight is now $400 and it's only 4 left in the stock. Then the next one is delete part. So let's delete the headlights. So it says part deleted successfully. So we deleted all the headlights in our inventory. Now the fifth option is to display sorted inventory. So as you can see now it display all the entries using ID number. So ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, and 56 in an ascending order. Now go with option 6, which also include multiple options in it. So the first one is searched by category. So here we can like search all the parts by category. Let's go with mirrors. So I think I oh there is nothing by mirrors. Let's go with let me check what are the categories in the inventory. So yeah, we have brakes. So let's go with brakes. Brakes. So as you can see here, the brake pads are the ID number 1 for the brake pad is displayed by as we search by category. Then there is check low stock. So here we will enter the threshold, which is like the minimum value. So let's enter like 4. So it will display all the parts that is less than 4. So here is battery, which has zero quantity in our inventory. So the third one is display binary tree sort inventory. So as you can see, this ID is sorted by inventory sorted by binary trees. Then for option 4, it will show all the items in the stock who are below 5 in. So there are two items in our stock which quantity is below 5. First one is battery and the second one is windshield. And like the last option is to return to main menu. So this is all about the inventory management. So I will now stop sharing my screen. So Mehak will explain the rest of the three options. Thank you very much.
So hi, this is Macbeth Singh. So now I will explain next parts. The second part is custom management. So when we enter choice two, we will enter custom management menu system. So we have two options here. Basically, first one is add customer, second one is display customer. If I go to add customer, it will ask us a name. So I will type my name, MEHAK. It's Singh. As you can see, it only tell us to enter letters only. So if I enter any number, it will show invalid format. Now let's move it again. Okay, now we'll fill our address. Let's fill anything. Now we have to fill a phone number. So I will fill this one. Now payment method we have to choose cash or credit. I will go with cash. Then here you can see the customer is added. Now for option two, when we press option two, it will show all the customers that are in our data. So let's move there. As you can see, there are two customers, Navjot Singh and Macbeth Singh, and we can add more customer here. And the ID is assigned by the order. Like for Navjot Singh is added first, so his ID is one, and mine ID is second, as I added after Navjot Singh. Now to move, go back to main menu, we have press 0. Now here we have third option, sale management. When press in the sale management, there are also two options, create order and display order. So I will create order. We have to enter customer ID. So there are only two IDs, mine and Najol, one and two. If I add anything else, if let's suppose I will add three, it will show customer ID is not found. If I add any alphabets, the same. ID for ID format is not correct. So now let's display two. Now part ID. I will search bar. Let's suppose I take first which break, enter quantity. Let's say I need two breaks. If I want to add another item, I will press Y else N. So yes, I want another part ID. Let's go with two. Oil filter. I need one oil filter. No, that's all I need. As the order is successfully created.
So now I will handle the last part of the assignments because we are heading towards the end. So like Merpreet just missed a thing in option 3, which is sales. So if we go on display order, so as we can see, there is two orders. The first one is for like this one is for customer ID. So here we can see it has order ID, customer ID, date, time, so and total value. And in items, it will show how much items we have. So if like as he is using his own laptop and I have the another one, so that's why the details are different. So like here it has all the data that a user could require to like gain and like check when the order is placed, like date, time, what is the amount, and what is the customer's ID by which we can search the customer's name. And if there is any issue with the product or like the customer want to refund, they want a refund to or return a product, we can use this to display a whole data where we can basically get all the information that we require about the order. So like moving towards land, which is option 4, which is change password. So like I will say I have star add manager, right? So go with manager, and now we'll enter a new password. Let's say manager 96. So it will say password added successfully. So if I exit the program and run it again and use manager.96. So it said login successfully. If I try the previous one, it will show me the error. So it says invalid passwords. So now we will show the like we have different files. So here are different file log text file and log file where we save our data. Like let's say this is our log activity log. So it log all the system or everything in this file. So if there is any issue detected by the system or like something happened, so we can just go to log file and check the issues that happened in past because it has date and time. So like if you see here, as we say, as we like enter a wrong password, so it says login failed because of login attempt failed. So there are same things like save orders to file, orders saved, loaded inventory one time, new car inserted a new car part, save data to file, added new part. So it basically has all the information that we do in our program. So this may be beneficial for other future errors that came in the code, which may help us to enhance our program better for future. So then the another one is customer.txt, which basically has the customer's data. As this is my computer different for Mac one, so it's just as my name. Same if we go with inventory.txt. So it has different products in it, like it has brake pad, oil filters, spark plugs, and stuff, which also contain data. Like if we add a new item, it will add in this file. So by this we can like without running our program, we can check what stuff we have in our inventory. And at last second, we have order.txt, which basically like stores the orders item. So here I enter few things which I doesn't need. So it's showing NA and unknown, but the stuff that I need like the ID, time, and total value is shown here. And for like last, it's user.txt where all the passwords are saved for like username and passwords are saved. So like if you know I changed the password from manager 123 to manager 96, so it just updated here in this file. So like if we change password here, I will not able to access the user credential for manager in the software. So I have to use the new one. So like these are some functionalities that we use in our code. And that's it about our assignment. Thank you very much.